Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we can discuss about how to download virtual scientific calculator in our regular PC or laptops. So the downloading way is very simple. So we can calculate any type of calculation by virtual scientific calculator as same as the physical calculator. Okay, so we can download about 8 to 10 physical scientific calculators in virtual scientific calculator. The downloading link has been given in the description box. Please click on and download the virtual scientific calculator. How to download? Let us see. So firstly, we can go for the Chrome website or any other website. Copy paste it and then search. So we get this page. Okay, the drive page link like this. So after clicking the link, uh, we got this page, drive page, and then we go for download. So when then we go for download. So after that word we can get this one because download anyway says given that I already download this. Okay, that's why this showing this. So download anyway. After this, okay, mm, download this started. Already downloaded. Okay, fx open. Just open it, and then it will give an open windows. Click open. Afterward, it shows fxe plus. Click on this one. Okay, click on this one, and then it will show these type of various type of scientific calculator to download. So these are more than 15 calculators are there. Approximate 20 calculators are there. So we can download. So any you I download fx-991 ES plus C. So what we can download, just tick mark and then downloading. Okay, download. What we can require, click on and then download. So I show my calculator how it is working. So this type of calculators we get. So this same as scientific the physical calculators. So no the difference is there. Okay, no much difference is there. So let us plus okay the 5 plus 5 minus 5 so 5. 5 plus 5 minus 5 is 5. Okay, on shift mode the same. Okay, the same as physical calculator. So the link video. Thank you.